In the industrial sector that accounts for 25% of global GDP, companies continue to struggle to find qualified workers, especially welders. Industry 4.0 increases the pressure for automation and optimization, while traditional methodologies do not fit their current needs. Robotic welding continues to grow, and industrial companies need workers with welding knowledge and robotic programming, but current methodologies and trainers are not prepared for it. There is no standard training or formal curriculum for robotic welding. Furthermore, traditional methods in this type of training are expensive and inefficient and do not follow the latest trends in simulation and environmental impact. Soldamatic Robotics is the world's first solution that offers scalable training combining robotics and welding thanks to augmented reality technology. This patented solution enables students and professionals to train in robotic welding using real equipment for programming exercises, reducing costs, materials, and pollution. This next-generation technology provides the most realistic, complete, and flexible robotic welding training solution. Furthermore, thanks to its extensive catalog of parts, it enables training for students and professionals for different industrial sectors and provides a complete view of the welding quality thanks to its exclusive analysis module. Soldamatic Robotics includes robotic welding content that combines theory, exams, and practices and also allows you to upload your own content. Just like a real welding machine, Soldamatic Robotics can connect with almost any robot on the market, thus adapting to the needs and facilities of training centers and companies. The analysis module enables you to reproduce the welding exercise at any time and also allows you to analyze the section cuts and the mechanical resistance at each point of the weld seam. Thanks to Soldamatic e-learnings, trainers can reproduce each exercise and manage all their student courses, whether they're students or professionals. Soldamatic Robotics is revolutionizing robotic welding training for Industry 4.0. Whether you already have robotic welding training or not, if you're interested in taking your students to the next level, contact us.